Let me see. Did you get him? What is it?
Roly poly.
He's pretty cute.
Aww.
What do you have on your feet?
He's so cute. Don't get away from me. Don't get away from me. Don't get.
If you roll him up in a ball, he won't. Pretty cute. Are you gonna name him?
What's your name?
Oh, you gonna ask him what his name is?
What? Tell him. What's his name?
If you listen real close, he might tell you.
What's your name?
He's not telling you.
No.
Do you speak bug? Maybe you don't understand the language he speaks.
Don't get away from me, little boogie.
Oh, yeah, that's one way.